Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the program can't start because API MS Win CRT runtime 110.dll is missing from your computer in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to open up Chrome and you just need to check my video description for this text used in my video. Just copy the first text and after that copy and paste it and press enter. Select the first link, scroll down, select your language and select the download option. Check mark both option and select download option. After getting download done, you just need to select the folder icon over here, and now you just need to install these both versions. Just double click on it, select I agree and select install option. After getting done, just to close stuff here, again install the Visual 64-bit, double click on it, I agree and select the install option. After getting done, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to open up Chrome and check my video description for this second text used in my video. Just copy and paste it and press enter. You just need to scroll down, select dllfiles.com and you just need to scroll down. Depends on your bit, you just need to download it. If you don't know your bit, then you just need to go to search menu and type system information. Click on open it. In here you can able to see your system bit. After knowing that, just to close stuff here. Now this is for 32-bit, select the download option. This is for 64-bit, select the download option. After getting download done, you just need to select the folder icon over here. Right click on the downloaded file and select extract all and select extract. And now you just need to copy this DLL file. After copying it, go to this PC, local disk C, and go to Windows folder. And now find the system32 folder, just double click on it, paste it in here, select continue. And now go back to Windows and find SYS WoW 64 and paste it in here as well. Select continue. After pasting it, just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these method fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.